Hello friends, welcome to Forex trading course. I am RD Singh. Starting a Forex trading course from today, and it's been 5 years for me in Forex trading. Whatever experience I have got in these 5 years, I am going to share the same experience with you guys through this course. And with this I am also going to teach you so that you can start your trading career as well. If you are staggering somewhere, then by improving your strategy, you can make a good profit from my experience. As you must be seeing inside this account, which I show you my account, as you can see I had put $56,000 in this account, out of which I have made profit of $21,000. And out of this also I withdraw $11 have taken. So which strategy do I use to make a profit? This is all that we are going to see in this course, which strategy I make profit by doing, so that you guys can also make consistent profit in the same way. Then keep watching the whole course. That's all you are going to learn in this course. See you in the next video. Hello friend, and trading requires a chatting platform. We can do it in MT4 also, but I like TradingView more. So in this video I am going to tell you about TradingView, how to sign up TradingView, and in this whole course we will use TradingView only. As many technical indicators as there are in all the methods, we will see on the chart above trading. Like you will come to TradingView website, you have to start free trial. Otherwise you have to sign up. If your account is on Google, then you can sign up with Google. Otherwise, if your account is on Facebook, then you can sign up with Facebook. You can also sign up through mail. I will show you once by signing up. Here you have to enter your username. Just below that you have to center your email address. And after that enter password. Have to check both the columns. Then click on I am not robot. And click on create account. Here a confirmation will have come to your mail. Now you will click on that confirmation and it is ready, your trading account. If you want, you can also take pro version in it. We are going to use their free version anyway. We don't need to take any problem. You can also buy pro version if you want. Now you have to come to the simple chart by clicking here. This is your chart is open. I hope you like the video and you must have understood something after watching the video. Today we are going to discuss support and resistance, which we call SNR. And we'll discuss with you guys about some more indicator in the coming video time. So basically I trade on all these indicators only. And if you trade these indicators together, then your result is going to be very good. And the way I am able to profit, you will also be able to profit in the same way. So first of all, I have opened the chart of TradingView. And here you have to put the name of pair. So here I put the name of the XAUUSD. This is the pair of gold. This is a pair of gold which runs on spot price. So what are we going to draw here? Here we will do SNR, and before drawing such notes, I would like to tell you that first we will see the market, then see the market. First let us see how the market moves. I would like to show this to you guys. Market is formed in the form of higher high and lower low. When the market is in an up trade, the market works in this way. This market is making higher highs and making higher lows. So what are our support and resistance points here? So these are our support and resistance points. This which has become our high point, it will be called our resistance point. And this which it has made down here where the market has stopped is called our support point. After that, whatever the market is open and goes out, then our new resistance market moves higher, and what is here makes a new high, and this is a new higher high form in the market. What is here is what it is. It becomes a resistance went to the market, who is the complete zone of the whole. Earlier it was the resistance, now it will work as support. And the market which is around this zone moves upwards. And this is what goes on in repeated form. You have come to understand so much. Now let us see how the market works in the downside. First starts falling from the high point and makes a low. After that makes a low and high from here. After that it makes low, comes back up, and after that makes new low form. Now we will see what the support and resistance are going to be here. This point will be our support. After this point will be our resistance. Now the market will come here and it can stop at this point also. And when the market breaks these two and comes back again, then this support will turn into zone resistance. And what is here? The chances of the market stopping are very high. And it is very important to mark these points for us. Uptrend and downtrend I explained to you. In this you must have come to know how we can mark support and resistance. Now let me show you this by drawing live market. Now we will draw first, we will do day 1, then H1 and then M1. Here I have opened the chart of gold and I show you the marking on the chart of gold. For marking on the chart, you have to catch only those levels which are very clear. Like I talk about here, this is high level and this is low level. So we have seen low point and high point here. But first we mark the low point. This zone is what I have blocked and this is what I have done at the block point. We call it support. After this, what is this high point? What will it be called? It is going to be called our resistance zone. Whenever the market comes between these points, up and down, then the chances of the market reversing here are very high. If we mark the market at this point, then here you will see here the market stopped once, stopped twice, and it stopped third time. This means that this point is very strong. Here the market has stopped 3 times. Now apart from this point, if I want to look down, then this is a point. Here the market has stopped. From the body of the candle, we can mark it till the wick, from which our zone comes out. So this is what I have stored in front of you on the level of day 1. Now we come to our next chart at H1. Now we will draw the levels on the chart of H1. On H1 I can see the high point somewhere, so here it is, this high point above. Now we have to see its second low point. You are looking at this low point. One, I see this low point, and one is seeing this last point where the market has responded many times to this point. Here you guys can see once, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times and 5 times. This is where the market is halting from, where it will be seen responding to it somewhere in the market. If the market comes to these levels again, then the market will stop here, otherwise the reverse can be seen from here. Now we will be marking on the chart of M1. If you want to trade on the chart of M1, then you will also have to do the marking on their chart. Here I see this point which is here. Here you can see that at this level the market first came down from the top, stopped here, then went up again, then stopped, and it came for the 3rd time and then stopped. So here the market has stopped 3 times. And from this zone the market reversed. And here I see another zone of M1 which is this zone. Here I would like to tell you one important thing, that you do not have to mark most of the zones. You have to mark only those zones where the market has stayed for a long time. Drawing the levels does not mean that from here the market will go reverse. The market will stop at the level. Now we have to see that if the market stops at the levels, then it will go up or down. For this we will look at more indicators than we will tell in upcoming videos. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Till then, no, goodbye. Today in this video I am going to discuss with you about stochastics. If you want, you can trade both SNR and stochastic together. Either you can take solo trade if you want. If you want to take trade on a single indicator, then you do single entry get up early trade. There is no such restriction from my side. And I do not impose any restriction. If I think that this zone is fine and stochastic signal is being formed there, even then it was there. If I feel it is not happening but that zone is very powerful, then I take trade on such zone. It is not necessary that the indicator that I am telling you will take trade only after mixing everything. If you want, you can also take trade on solo indicator. First of all, you have to go to the indicator here and type on the indicator stochastic itself at the top, click on basic stochastic and apply it. If you want, you can also use its basic settings, although I always use it by changing the setting, but if you want, you can use the basic setting. You change some of the setting of this indicator in which I keep. The value of K is 13. And the value of D is 7. And in smoothing I make it 3. Now let's see how it is used. It is oversold territory and above is overbought territory. When the red line crosses the blue line, a signal is generated here. The SNR signal was making us see it coming from behind. There was no breakout when the market again came above this zone at the same level. We got to see the breakout here. Here we got to see the breakout which we are seeing inside the indicator. And after that, what did the market do? And the market has gone up after here. After that the market has again come above this zone. It's over here, and where we got to see the breakout, we got to see the breakout here. This is what we got to see, stochastic breakout. And what happened after that? The market went upwards from here. So this was the power stochastic. If you try stochastic with SNR, then the result will be very good. I hope you have understood stochastic. Then someone trades in oversold territory and overbought territory. When the blue line breaks the red line and exits from the bottom to the top, then our buy entry is made there. When the blue line breaks the red line and exits from the upper to the bottom, then our sell entry is made there. See you in the next video. So today we will talk about RSI indicator, and all the good traders, they definitely see RSI. Or say that they use it, and I personally use this indicator a lot. How can you use this indicator? First you have to come to the indicator and write RSI here. You have to click on Relative Strength Index. Here now this indicator has been installed. Now we will change its setting. In the upper band I use setting 75 and in the lower band I use setting 25. If you want, you can also use it on the default setting. Now let's talk about whether we should trade only after mixing all the indicators. No, we should not do such trading. You can trade on single RSI or even single stochastic. It is not necessary that you have to trade on mix indicator only. So now let us see how to use RSI. And how do I use? The first confirmation I had was of SNR, and the second confirmation I got was from RSI. The RSI levels that I drew 75 and 25 show us. Now the market has started falling from here. What does it mean? That the people who have buying, now they have started selling from here. There will come a point when everyone's money will be exhausted. They will have sold all the money. Now those people will have to make the position of buying on time. So the RSI tells us that how much market has been sold now. Has it come in the oversold territory? Now as soon as the market touched the level of 25 and the market ran straight up. Market again touched the level of 25 and tried to make lower low here. But lower low could not be made in RSI. If you look in RSI, there is no lower low. We also get to see hidden divergences inside RSI. And hidden divergences we also get to see stochastics inside it. What you guys are seeing here. Now look here on divergence as it's showing lower low. and it is showing lower high. So here the divergence is very clearly visible that there is no new low here. Now that means the market can reverse at any time from here. And this is what we got to see in the market. The market came here and reversed from here. And then the market is there again. So it came upon them. And then here comes the entry of sellers. And took the market again to the same level. And this was the SNR level. And here was the support. So here the market came and went up again and then again made a new low. So here's a new lower low. Now we will see that as above lower low is made in the same way and lower low should have been made in also, but lower low is not made. Now what happened here? It was neither like this nor was it at support level. And along with divergences also came, and we are also here in oversold territory. You have a great place where we can make a buy position. And those who would have made a buy position here, but on the next candle, the stochastics have given a buy signal. You guys can see this. So what happened after that? Came out of the market from here. And got a very good open, but has definitely come back here. The dimensions can be seen very clear. But the bottom side has not come here. New take, which is inside the RSI in the market, not made. And after that the market has gone even higher and a new high market has been created. So this was the way to use RSI indicator. You guys can use RSI in the same way and trade very well. So see you in the next video. Hi friends, the indicator that I am going to talk about today. This indicator is used a lot to find intraday signals. And also to find weekly and monthly signals. By the way, we also use SNR to draw the level. But we can also use this indicator with combination. And can solo too. And it tells bananas in those places where we don't even get any SNR. It also tells us by finding those levels, and that is why this indicator is used a lot. Now what is the name of the indicator? Then first of all you have to come here on the indicator. You have to click on the indicator and type pivot point standard indicator. You will see below pivot point standard indicator. Here are the pivot points of different times, such as daily time frame, weekly time frame, monthly time frame. I use all three of them. So first I would like to show you the daily time frame. So first I would like to show you the daily time frame. Now here's a simple trick that I use a lot. Whenever the market falls like it has fallen here, no buying pressure is visible here. Whenever the market falls in this manner, it always stops at the pivot point. After that it was one level, then turned from here and then came to another level and stopped. And now here it did the work of resistance. So these are very simple points which we can understand easily. If you are working in intraday, if the market has started at this point, you have created a buy position here. And you don't know where to target. So here your next pivot point becomes your target. The market definitely comes around this level. And the market moves on pivot point from one pivot point to another pivot point. To second to third pivot point. In this way, market-wise on daily basis. Now if we want to look at the bigger time frame. Monthly pivot I've drawn here. So the R3 we see here is over 1903. So the market can go so far. R2 is what we have at 1850. And the point below it is R1, what the market has done here. At the start of this month, R1 was braked and came out. After that, after hitting the reverse, the market came here 1810. Came here, there was no level here. It respected R1 and from here the market continued. Here we are SNR. If no level is visible, then this is the advantage of it. It gives us by finding hidden levels. Now we will sit this on the weekly chart, and the levels of weekly are very powerful. This time it changes how far the market can go. So this week level, if I want to show you, R1 on 1856. to it braked and R2 went up to 1870. After that, where did the market come back? Came back till R1, it continued again, and finally it broke this zone. Went to R3 but did not touch the R3, and then the market came back to 1870. So use these levels that you guys can use to forgive the levels. So this is a very good indicator. If you want, you can also use it in combination, and if you want, you can also use it separately. You are going to have a lot of fun after using it. In the next video, I am going to tell you about the rules. How much profit you can make monthly by following that rules. Then see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Having rules within your trading style is a must if you want to be a profitable trader. You can never be profitable without rules in a long term. Right now the rules can be about any strategy of trading, it can be about money management, or can be about any other similar strategy. So today I am going to share with you my rules which I trade on. And if you follow my rules, you can be a definitely profitable trader. You will never lose in the future if you follow. So today I am going to tell you about them. So the first rule here is, how much do I use in maximum leverage? I use 1:2. I do not use leverage of more than 1:2. Now what is 1:2? If I have $56,000 in my account and if I use leverage of 1:1, how much can I take? So here I can take lot size of 0.56. If and use 1:1 leverage of doing him. Or if I am not using leverage, it means same. If I am using a leverage of 1.2, then double it. I can take the maximum size of 1.10. And this is what I did when I opened an account for $56,000. Which I am also going to show you guys. How I have traded on small lot sizes. Because I was making profit by trading on these small lot sizes. You will also see that all are small lot sizes. Find only by setups. What does mean? Gold is called heaven when trading. Because it stays in an uptrend for a long time. It means that the gold is ours, can never be down. In the coming 10 years, it is going to go up from here. It is not that there will be zero from here. So that's why gold is called heaven. If you want to trade on gold, then buy only. Now let's see that the trading time. Within your trading time, I trade inside the London session and New York session, which takes place from 9 AM to 5 PM according to Indian time. Because within this time the market is in high volatility mode. Now the number 4 rule is also very important for the trader. Because inside this the question is, how much do you want to earn daily? My target is 1%. Used to have $500 to $700 on this account. And as soon as my target is 2 to 3%, after that I do not trade. 3% is the maximum. The fifth and last point is, don't invest all amount in one trading setup. You can never put your full amount on any one setup. Those are good traders, they can never put their full amount on one setup. Like I would also like to show you, I don't have full face on one setup. Means only one setup. After that look at other setups. There can be other setups like SNR or trend line. Here you will see here I first trade 1879. Then 1878. Then 1877. So you can make your setup like this. So these were some of my setups, which you can follow if you want. Then I see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. In this video I am going to talk to you about the expectation, that how much we can expect, how much profit we can make. And with this I will tell you what Gambling Mind says Money Mind, that you can double your account in one night. But those who are wise, or say that those who have been trading for some time now, they have understood overnight success is not possible. Now I would like to show you some examples through this account. I started my account with $56,000. And monthly my target was between 8 to 10%. Sometimes it goes in too much, but I assume at least that much. So here let's go with the expectation. And I have opened this compounding calculator. As my account is growing, so am I increasing the lot correctly. When you search with compounding calculator on Google, you will see many websites, but I am using this website. Now I will show you by compounding it how much our amount can be made within 5 to 10 years. So I started this account with $56,400. On this account I am trading on monthly basis so that I am able to withdraw my profit by 20% on it. So the psychology of you people is like this: how much profit will be made in 2 months. So right now I am going according to my goals, so you can see when I started this account. I started the first trading on the 22nd of the 3rd month. Now we are close to it, so how much should have been here is $80,000. And how much has happened? $58,000 is reached. So my goal is for bigger time frames and longer time periods. And if you follow the same strategy and follow the same way, then the return you are going to get is also going to be very good. If we keep going at this speed for the next 10 years, then our account will become this much. Even if I go by looking at my expectation of 8 to 10%. Even then it would have become such a big account. So this is the expectation that decides how much time you want to invest in trading. Let's meet friends in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Let's take some live trades example. Like I told you earlier that I trade in London session. And London session is open. So this is the level now and the market has hit the pivot point. Market signal is about to come, but before that we will check if there is any other indication. We will take the trade as soon as we reach the otherwise pivot point. So first I draw this level because at this level the trade is confirmed, giving us stochastic signal. But no RSI, no signal is given. And on the daily chart also no level is visible around. Now where we see it? On the chart of H1 maybe there is a signal here. Even on H1 we don't see any signal right now. You have stopped the market twice here, once here, and again here. Here the market is near the pivot point. So as soon as the market touches the pivot point we will take our entry there. Our targets are going to be small. And without telling the weight, you guys have done hundreds of points. And if you want to do the maximum target, then do not keep the target above 500. So let's come to the market at this point, and I have taken this trade here. I have executed my first aid, so we set our target here at 42. So we wait for the market to reach this point, and if the market reverses from here, then it is not that all the money has to be invested in one trade. Right now this zone is very strong, powerful. If you look carefully, you will see an RSI and soul territory. So from here the target was not too difficult, so our target will be hit. Our $50 in this trade is going to be easy because I don't find the target too difficult. Here we are getting $32. If we want we can close the trade here, then we can close breaker even to cover our losses, but as far as I think this feature will also be positive. The stochastic signal will also be generated as soon as the green candle is generated, as if the RSI signal was generated behind it. We wait till then. Here in the backup I had placed another trade, this I have placed a trend line here. And this trend line is touched here now. And here the market has come in our favor, we have got as many points as we wanted. Here now we will exit these two trades. That's why we should always keep trades in backup. This way more setup will be done, which I will tell you in upcoming videos. We just took the last trade at this level, so it's not like we can't trade a level again. Now I was going to take a trade again at this level, but I missed the trade while starting the video. We wait again at this level. If the market comes back above this level, then we will take a trade here again. So what is our target of daily is 3%, we can complete it in 2 to 3 hours by taking multiple trades like this. Market is repeatedly moving above such points. Is in oversold territory, still has stochastic signal is crossed. Should we take a trade at this point? We will wait a bit. At this point we have to do the least, and the market has come to this point. And again I made another trade here. Will the market come back to this point? Then we are going to test the spot again. Yes, because I have found another powerful point here below. So here it comes with a new low which is more than 50 points, so here I took a trade. I am going to break even these two. This will accomplish our target very easily. and I don't think there will be any problem. If the market goes down further, then I will execute the third trade here, which is my third trade reached. So the chances of the market stopping here are going to be high because the market stops at this point even earlier. Let this trade come down further. From here the market comes down by 50 points, then we will execute our third trade here, and after that I will have the lot size over. Our profit is made between $60 to $80. We will think that because we are camping here, then we will have to take multiple time street, so we keep more and not be greedy, but between $60 to $80 come out with profit. I have set my target so that my 2 trades can go into profit and 1 minus. Here $20 to $24 is currently running in profit like this, so if I want, I can leave it even more, but there is no need for more greed because we are doing scalping. Then our method should be take profit and get out, take profit and leave. I am using this consistency profit setup since last 3 months. If any other setup is made, then I will definitely share it with you in the next video. So where will I take my third trade? Because I have already told you in 2 trades, now I will take the third trade at this level. Here the market stopped moving from one level to another, and as I explained to you in the video that came out, the market definitely moves from one level to another. So here we took support in the market, and after that the market left like pivot point. Now if we buy again, we will take trade above such level. As market comes at this level, we will take trade here. Well, this is going to be made for trade buy, and where I see 2 strong level, this one and this one. Stopping the market at both these levels has to stop. And if the market falls from here, then we will also have 2 levels below where we can take a buy trade. Now the market has come to a level, so now we will buy it here. I have also executed the second trade, and this is the level at which I wanted to take the trade. Will the market go up from here? It will be filled definitely, because I told you there is no such news in the market. I hit this point earlier. If we wanted to, we could trade at this point and the levels that were there. I already got you marked. Here's what the market did. The market where it didn't come back to this zone and the one I had supported earlier. This support will still be valid. Took a trade here and had to go to the market from here. Our target was complete. And also the third trade I show you guys today, my profit of $200 is complete. You will see in the next video. Where can we take the fourth trade here? We can take trade in the zone where the market is now, but we will wait for it to come down to this level and then buy. So where you get the entry, you buy there, because we have back-to-back level below. So right now I am just taking a thread on support here because the level of support is very strong. There are still a few more trades I'll take. Although I've already made a profit of $200. I will stop recording until another setup is made. As soon as another setup is made, I will play the video. If any other setup is made on this chat now, then I will tell you that too. Then I will meet you in the next video. The market has reversed again, but is in exactly the same zone where we wanted it to be. Okay, so let's come down from now because our trading setup is made. We will touch the market, then we take a trade. The market has come here as a wick, so I will take a trade here. The market has come to the exit point now, but our trade has not started long ago and is at the right place. Like, whenever we wait for life, it never seems objectively, it is a little up, a little down, the train starts but it goes on so much. Here the market is again approaching the pivot point. And the pivot point is such a strong point that if the market comes to the pivot point, the market will stop once, it will stop once and it will go back. In this way we can easily take 100 points. Which I will show you guys. You can see here red candle is made here. Which I will show you people. You can see here red candle is made here, but only one green candle will be made here, which is more than 100 points valuable, and that will complete our target. Whenever the back-to-back red candles fall in the downtrend, it must stop once at the pivot point. The checkpoint gives the confirmation of the green candle. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Everyone enjoys trading on this type of setup. Just one thing you have to keep in mind: if there is any negative news in the market, then you do not have to trade at that time. Let's see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Hello friends, after watching this video course, some questions are coming in your mind. I will answer in this video. The first question is that if I have an account of $56,000, then what is the meaning of the account you should have to trade? So the minimum amount you should have is at least $2,000, in which if we trade on 1:2, then was trade 0.04 lot size, then we can return. Now the second question will come to your mind. That what if I get stuck on the high or where the market is at the high, after that it was taken again and I went back, what would I do? Now at this place you should trade with SL, have to trade on SL setup. And where should we put where our trade will be placed at the last high, or if the trade of buy will be at the last low and the trade of sell will be at the last high? You people must have got the answers to two questions, and the third question will be about the setup that is going on in your mind. So you do not have to trade by making a combination regarding the setup. If you are seeing a signal on a single setup, then you have to take a trade on it. You can also set the settings of the indicator according to you. The doubts that were in your mind would have been cleared, so see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Hello friends, first of all, I would like to congratulate the people that you are watching the last video, which means that you have understood all your previous videos well. Then from here you can start your trading journey, where you do not know how does a market move from level to level, and many more things that I have seen and learned in my own way. And secondly, I would like to say thanks to you guys that you guys have bought this course, due to which I also get a motivation and also get a support, and I also feel that I am forwarding a quality content to the what I myself have learned in my life. And that is what I am able to teach people. You will be seeing the number on the top of the screen, and there are many more details. If you want, you can join the Telegram group or comment on the YouTube channel and give me any one idea that I can make a course on some topics in the future. So I have my support in this. If you have any question, then you can ask me through these channels. So I see you again with someone else. Till then, goodbye.